nie koniec, bo ja potrzebuję, proszę pani, rzodkiewkę, jeśli jest godna polecenia.
Naprawdę jest dobre.
Biały jeden taki mniej taki. Jogurta dzisiaj nie ma.
Good morning. We are on a local food tour. Hi, I'm Matt and welcome to another edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, we visit the Stary Kleparz, Krakow, Poland's 600-year-old outdoor market. Seems like this should be on the Blair Witch next episode. A reminder, Borders on Budgets. Stary Kleparz was founded in the mid-14th century, around the time of the Black Plague. Stary Kleparz translated as Old Kleparz, and Kleparz is a village originally located outside of the Old Town of Krakow. Well, I couldn't pass by this table of purple. Not only does it have sachets of lavender, appropriately also with the Krakow dragon, but then there's this product of syrup of violet. Yes, syrup made from the violet flower. The owner is a little camera shy, but she did mention it is good for pancakes. The delicatessen of Sekret Smaku specializes in pierogies and cutlets. I've never seen a purple pierogi before, so I had to ask what is a jagodami, and I was told it is blueberry. The blueberry and the strawberry pierogies were a little too exotic for me. I decided to go with the spinach and feta. This market is located across the street from Krakow's Old Town. It is there where tourists from around the world flock to, and all languages are heard and spoken. But in Stary Kleparz, it has that old country feel where only Polish is spoken in the alleyways and in the stalls.
Raz go zostawić na mowę i od razu się dzieje. Damy dwa ładniejsze. No, to myślę, no.
Wolne. No. Zakupki.
I don't know that I could have asked for a better model here at this jewelry stall. Randomly, I've chosen this stall to look at the local prices. Cauliflower Piorski, 5 zloty, or about €1.25. Different prices for the carrots. Dirty for 2 zloty 50 a kilogram, or clean carrots 3.50 zloty, or just under €1 for a kilo. Say that on camera. That's radishes. Okay. Radishes for €0.5. What makes this market special? Why is it special?
Special is many fresh ingredients and a lot of good fruits from all over the world. We have a cold cut, we have a good meat. Everything is very good. Just only buy it and cook and eat.
Across the street from the market is the newly constructed Museum of the Obwarzanka. I've been told it is easier to bake this pastry than it is to pronounce it. The highlight at the museum is the public workshops towards creating the obwarzanka.
Na zewnątrz delikatnie rozciągać. Ta praca? Nie.
Nice hands.
Nie będę zapominał, że same ręce.
Podziękuj.
The obwarzanka dates back to the mid-14th century, at around the same time that the Stary Kleparz was opened. Does that look like 30 centimeters?
So the name of the product, obwarzanek, in English would just be parboiled. That's why we have to remember that it's the secret of obwarzanek. The short process of putting that into the hot water and to remember about the human part of making it. To w ten sposób, to jest bardzo ważne, żeby...
Otwieraj.
So how much time does this need?
About 10 in maximum to 15 seconds. As you can see, they are starting to float on. That's the moment when they are already perfect to get out and to put the toppings on them.
And how much time is needed in the oven?
About 7 minutes in maximum, not less than more. It depends also on the temperature, but usually the 7 minutes is enough.
Who here learned something today and can tell it to me in English?
Of course we learn. Come on, I've never done it before. And it was really exciting. I like them a lot. And I used to eat them a lot in Krakow, but now I know how to make them. So it was a really good one.
Kuba, teraz z makiem.
And in addition to receiving their obwarzanka, participants receive their certificate of competency.
So here is the first thing. And gratuluję.
Can't even wait to take it out of the bag. Crispy, salty. So, from Krakow, Poland, thank you very much for tuning in to another edition of Borders on Budgets. A reminder, Borders on Budgets. Long distance hikes, slices of life, not a lot of money. I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Ooh, tunnel! It's a tunnel! Oh, how neat! Woo, woo! I didn't realize pigeons fancied fresh produce. Did you like this episode? Good. Help Borders on Budgets. Hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to share this story with your friends.